In this video, we dive deeper in understanding the 5D Earth timeline split, navigating the shift to higher consciousness. If you recently have experienced something changed, having a sense that reality feels different, or a shift in your perspective, this is part of the initial wave of the 5D Earth timeline split, impacting our consciousness in profound ways. This isn't just an energy shift. It's a transformative step toward a new reality marked by unity, love, and heightened awareness. We're at the start of a revolutionary change in human consciousness, moving beyond the old, fear-based 3D paradigm toward a harmonious 5D Earth. The excitement around this transition has been growing, preparing us for a world where reality itself is evolving. As the timeline split unfolds, many are noticing significant shifts in their minds, bodies, and spirits. This isn't just an internal process. These changes are reflected in our surroundings. The split represents a division between the old 3D world and the emerging 5D state, centered on compassion, connection, and peace. Are you ready for this wave of transformation? This journey invites us to embrace a higher reality rooted in love, harmony, and understanding. This video will guide you through recognizing the signs of the shift, navigating the challenges, and embracing this transition with grace. The 3D versus 5D paradigm. The shift between the 3D and 5D worlds symbolizes two distinct ways of experiencing life. The 3D world is grounded in duality, good versus evil, competition, and materialism. People driven by the 3D mindset are often motivated by fear, focusing on external validation and accumulation. This approach creates division and fuels conflict, keeping people tied to a limited, fear-based perspective. In contrast, the 5D perspective transcends duality and conflict, embracing unity and connection. People aligned with 5D consciousness begin to see life through the lens of love and harmony, recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings. In this higher state, fear and judgment fall away, replaced by compassion and empathy. Rather than being driven by ego, individuals in 5D follow their higher purpose, creating a life grounded in peace and spiritual growth. The choice. Moving beyond fear. The timeline split represents a choice. Remain anchored in the 3D mentality of fear and separation, or shift to a 5D reality of love and unity. This isn't a physical separation, but an energetic one, as individuals choose where they resonate. Those who choose to transition to 5D experience more joy, freedom, and love, while those holding on to the old 3D vibrations may feel increasingly out of sync. For now, these two realities coexist, but the divide will grow as energies continue to separate. The signs of the shift. The shift toward 5D consciousness shows up in subtle and profound ways. You may notice changes in your emotions, thoughts, and how you relate to others. As you embrace this higher state, you might feel drawn to practices like meditation and mindfulness, prioritizing your inner peace over external validation. Material desires may lose their appeal, and your focus might shift toward a life of purpose and compassion. Sensitivity to energy also increases as you become more attuned to the atmosphere around you and the emotions of others. This heightened sensitivity is a sign that you are aligning with higher frequencies. You may feel more connected to nature and the animal world, sensing their energy in ways you hadn't before. This awareness extends to a collective consciousness as you begin to feel the emotions, thoughts, and intentions of those around you. While this connection can deepen your relationships, it can also feel overwhelming if you're absorbing intense or negative energies. Trusting your intuition will help you navigate this transition with clarity and resilience. Embracing time as fluid. In the 3D world, time is viewed as linear, with a clear separation between past, present, and future. However, as we move into the 5D perspective, our experience of time begins to shift. You might notice time feels fluid, speeding up or slowing down in ways that defy explanation. This sensation of time distortion is a key indicator of the 5D shift, where time becomes less about the clock and more about being present in the moment. Living fully in the present allows for growth and creativity, untethered from the rigid constraints of 3D time. Letting go of lower vibrational attachments. To fully embrace the 5D timeline, it's essential to release attachments to lower vibrational patterns. These attachments include negative relationships, limiting beliefs, and unresolved fears that hold us in a fear-based state. Moving beyond these patterns allows us to align with higher vibrational frequencies, experiencing life with more joy, peace, and harmony. Unhealthy relationships, for example, can drain our energy and keep us from growing. Releasing these connections doesn't mean abandoning people. It means recognizing when a relationship no longer supports your evolution. This process also involves transforming negative thought patterns and self-limiting beliefs. By practicing mindfulness, you can observe these thoughts without judgment and choose to shift them toward positivity and empowerment. Clearing negative influences. The energy we surround ourselves with, whether through news, social media, or the physical environment, affects our vibration. Consuming negative content can lower our frequency, so it's essential to prioritize uplifting, inspiring media that encourages growth. Clearing physical clutter from our environment also creates space for positive energy flow, helping us achieve mental clarity and emotional balance. Raising your vibration. In higher states of consciousness, your thoughts and emotions become powerful forces that shape your world. High vibrational emotions like love, gratitude, and joy attract positive experiences, while lower emotions like fear and anger can create challenging cycles. Practicing mindfulness allows you to stay present and respond intentionally to your emotions, viewing them as temporary experiences rather than fixed states. Embracing emotions like love, peace, and gratitude helps raise your vibration, attracting a life aligned with harmony and purpose. Letting go of lower emotions, such as fear and anger, frees you to embrace higher states. When these emotions arise, rather than suppressing them, allow yourself to fully experience and release them. This approach nurtures self-compassion, creating a foundation for lasting inner peace. Connecting with your higher self. As you navigate this journey, connecting with your higher self can provide invaluable guidance. Your higher self is the wisest, most enlightened part of you, aware of your soul's purpose, and aligned with the 5D state of love and unity. Meditation and mindfulness are powerful practices to deepen this connection. By quieting the mind, you can access the intuitive guidance of your higher self, feeling its presence in insights, feelings, and instincts. Trusting your intuition aligns you with your soul's purpose, and journaling can further enhance this connection. Reflecting on your thoughts and emotions helps you understand the messages your higher self is sending you, guiding you toward your highest potential. Living in alignment with the 5D timeline. Living in alignment with the 5D timeline is a transformative journey that emphasizes love, unity, and spiritual awareness. This shift invites us to move beyond fear, releasing judgment, and embracing unconditional love. By embracing compassion and connection, you raise your vibration, transcending the limitations of the 3D world. As you walk this path, mindfulness, patience, and self-compassion are essential. This journey may challenge you, but it also offers immense growth, peace, and fulfillment. By staying grounded in love and open to the unknown, you can navigate this transition with grace and resilience. Manifesting with intention in 5D. As you align with the 5D frequency, you may notice an increase in your manifestation power. In this state, your thoughts, feelings, and intentions manifest quickly, reflecting your inner world in your outer experiences. In 5D, manifestation flows naturally when you're in alignment with love, peace, and harmony. Challenges serve as reminders of your power as a creator, encouraging you to focus on the positive energy you wish to bring into your life. This increased manifestation power requires mindfulness as the universe responds to your vibrational state. Staying aligned with your highest intentions allows you to create a life grounded in joy, abundance, and harmony. Trusting the process and embracing this journey of conscious co-creation enables you to fully realize the potential of the 5D timeline. The path ahead. Embracing love and unity. As you align with the 5D timeline, you're contributing to a collective awakening, raising the planet's vibration. The journey to 5D is one of love, unity, and a deep connection with all beings. By embracing this higher perspective, you're playing a vital role in the evolution of human consciousness. Living with an open heart, in alignment with love and unity, is key to thriving in this new dimension. This shift is about more than individual growth. It's a collective movement toward a world rooted in compassion and interconnectedness. Trust the process, stay committed to your path, and welcome the miracles that unfold as you embrace the 5D frequency. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, hit the like and subscribe button for more inspirational videos.